Good morning, everyone. The sun is shining on the sky so brightly. Your day is also going to shine the same way. Have a blessed Friday. My dear students, today we will do a grammar topic, verbs. I know it's not new for you, but today we will make our concept more stronger. Let's begin this lesson with the learning objectives. Read with me. Can I identify verbs in a sentence? Can I use verbs in my writing? Before knowing about verbs, let's recall the nouns. A noun is a person, place, or thing. A person like a teacher, a place like a gas station, and a thing like an alarm clock. Names of person, place, animal, or thing is called a noun. Then what are the verbs? Verbs are words that tell us what nouns do. Or you can say verbs are actions that we do. Here we will look at some verbs for the nouns that we saw. Remember, action words tell us what the nouns do. So our first noun is a teacher. What does a teacher do? Yes, our teacher teaches and helps the students to learn new things. Look at the gas station. It is a place. What does a gas station do? A gas station sells and fuels our cars and other vehicles. Sells and fuels are the action words. Now here comes an alarm clock. What are the words that describe what an alarm clock does? Tick, 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 tick. Yes, an alarm clock ticks, doesn't it? And sometimes it irritates us. Okay, it is one action. It also rings and helps us to wake up. So ticks and rings are the action words for an alarm clock. My dear students, verbs are words that tell us what nouns do. A teacher teaches and helps the student. A gas station sells and fuels. And an alarm clock ticks and rings. All these are action words. Let's learn about some other action verbs. Look at this picture. This is Will. Will is very active. He does a lot of things. For example, Will jumps. He plays tennis daily. He reads a lot. He dances to his favorite music. Here, jumps, plays, dances, and reads are words that name actions. Therefore, they are called action words. On the same way, Susie is also on to a lot of actions on a holiday. First, Susie waters the plants. Then she eats an apple. She also washes her bike. She writes a letter to her grandmother. Later, she goes to take a bath. Finally, she reads a book. The words waters, eats, washes, writes, goes, and reads are action words. They tell us that what the Susie does. I know. You people are free nowadays. And you are doing so many actions. For example, you eat, drink, read, write, run, jump, sleep, fight, bake, cook, dance, and laugh too. All these are actions. We name them action words, doing words, or verbs. Did you get my point? Okay. Verbs are words that state actions which show what someone or something does. It means verbs are the actions that we do. Or you can say verbs tell us what the nouns do. Let's do a little practice. Look at these pictures. You have to choose a correct verb for each picture. The first one has done for you. In the first picture, a boy is playing with a football. Now, look at the picture number 2. What a man is doing in his bed? Yes, sleeping. He is sleeping. Look at the picture number 3. Choose a verb for this boy. Awesome. Walking. Yes, you are absolutely right. He is walking. Now, look at picture number 4. Which verb you will choose for this happy girl? Great. Eating. She is eating a sandwich. Now come on, picture number 5. What is this boy doing now? Well done. He is dancing. Now look at the picture number 6. Can you tell me what that girl is doing? Great. Reading. She is reading a book. Superb. Clap for yourself. Verbs are the words that tell us what the nouns do. Now, I will tell you about the homework. The topic is verbs. Question number 1 is, what can they do? Write 2 verbs for each nouns. Here I have given you 4 nouns: fish, boy, ball, and mother. You will write 2 verbs for each noun. Question number 2 is, color verbs in the given sentences. Sentence number 1 is, I write in my book. Sentence number 2 is, we play in the park. Sentence number 3 is, they look at the pictures. And sentence number 4 is, he eats the ice cream. You will do this work in your language notebook, and if your language notebooks are finished, then complete this work on a loose sheet. But don't forget to write day, date, and the topic. I really appreciate you to watch this video. Allah Hafiz.